Hey, Tango. Who's a pretty girl? Oh, you're so pretty. So pretty. Oh no. I'm not doing anything to you. I just love and Tango. I just love and Tango. She's so pretty. Yeah. Yeah, that's a good girl. Doing geeses. Yeah. Watch it. Oh, there she is. Such a pretty girl. Oh, and there's Georgie.
Bill is killing me, man. On one hand, he's telling me I hit a home run. On the other hand, he's telling me I struck out. I don't know what to think at this point.
George, you're perf.
Hey, how you doing? Pretty good. What do we got? Well, I have 3 pieces of artwork here that I'd like to sell. They're all signed. That's all your copy. I'm coming into the pawn shop today to see what they would give me for my Salvador Dali prints. I understand this business by fine art. They have experts that can appraise it very well. They're valued at $50,000 a piece, and I'm hoping to get close to that price. All right, so tell me about them. So these are woodcut prints from the Divine Comedy series, which has over 40.
Oh, George, I know you don't want me touching your girl. Yeah. Here's a pretty boy. I love Georgie. I love my Tango. You guys are my buddies.